Introduced at IFA 2024, and with its outstanding design, the Roborock QRevo Curv is one of the first things you'll notice. Unlike the typical rectangular or boxy docks of other robot vacuums, the QRevo Curv features a distinctly curved dock, lending it a more aesthetically pleasing look. The station is compact enough to fit into most spaces, and its glossy white finish gives it a sleek, modern appeal. This is the kind of product you wouldn't mind showcasing in your living room. In addition to good looks, the dock has useful features that make it easier to maintain. For instance, the fully removable base plate makes cleaning very easy. Inside, built-in squeegees work to remove most dirt from the mop pads, reducing the need for hands-on maintenance. When it comes to suction power, the Roborock QRevo Curv is a real standout. It boasts an incredible 18,500 pascals, making it the most powerful robot vacuum available today. Whether it's hardwood, tiles, or thick carpets, this model handles it easily. The Duo Divide roller brush features two small hybrid brushes that combine bristles and rubber blades to tackle debris and dirt while preventing hair tangles. The arced side brush is another innovation, designed to prevent hair entanglement while ensuring debris is directed toward the vacuum for collection. The robot also has rotating mop pads, one of which can extend to clean alongside baseboards. Both are washed with hot water to maximize hygiene and reduce bacteria, mildew, and bad odors. The Roborock QRevo Curv leverages AI-powered smart cleaning technology to enhance its performance. It automatically adjusts the cleaning settings according to the room. Also, by intelligently detecting heavily soiled areas, the robot modifies its cleaning strategy in real time, automatically returning to those spots for a deeper, more thorough cleaning. The QRevo Curv's smart navigation system is equally impressive. Featuring LiDAR and RGB cameras, it can precisely map your home, simply navigating around obstacles. Its advanced mapping system allows the robot to create detailed maps of up to 4 different floors. What's more, the AdaptiLift chassis further enhances its navigation capabilities, allowing the robot to dynamically adjust its height to climb over thresholds and door frames, ensuring smooth transitions to different areas of your home. After you take the robot out of the box, you can use a QR code to set it up or look for the model you purchased. The onboarding process is easy, and it won't be long before you scan your home for the first time. It's very straightforward, and the Roborock app is convenient for editing the different rooms of your home after that. With reactive AI obstacle recognition, it detects and avoids 62 object types in bright and dark environments. The LiDAR scanner and a flashlight help in the most challenging scenarios, even though the robot works better in daylight. What's bad about the Roborock QRevo Curv? Despite its many strengths, the Roborock QRevo Curv does have a few drawbacks, the price being the most obvious. At $1,600, it's certainly an investment. While it's cheaper than flagship models like the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra and Dream X40 Ultra, it's still a significant cost for a robot vacuum. However, for those who can afford it, the advanced features and strong performance help justify the price. The lack of a dedicated detergent tank is another minor inconvenience. Although the robot's mopping system is powerful and efficient, detergent must be manually added to the clean water tank, which can be an extra step for those accustomed to more automated systems. It's not a deal-breaker for most, but it's worth noting for those who prioritize full automation. Lastly, the QRevo Curv's innovative AdaptiLift chassis is designed to help the robot climb over thresholds and door frames, raising its wheels by up to 4 centimeters. This feature works well most of the time, but can occasionally cause the robot to attempt to climb over furniture legs or other obstacles that it shouldn't. While it usually corrects itself, this could potentially lead to damaged furniture, so it's important to monitor its navigation around certain objects, or adjust the obstacle detection settings. Should you buy the Roborock QRevo Curv? If you're looking for a high-performing robot vacuum that excels at vacuuming and mopping, the Roborock QRevo Curv is an excellent choice. Its powerful 18,500 pascals suction duo-divide roller brush system and advanced smart navigation features make it ideal for homes with mixed flooring types, high thresholds, and pets. The arced side brush and duo-divide roller work together to prevent hair tangles, a significant advantage if you have pets. While the $1,600 price tag may give some buyers pause, the QRevo Curv offers a level of convenience and performance that's hard to beat. Its ability to vacuum and mop efficiently, navigate complex environments, and handle high thresholds sets it apart from other robot vacuums.